Hey guys and gals, it's Randy from PartsAuto.com. Thermostat. If you can't get any heat in that car and you're having a problem, you don't know why, you've still got a lot of antifreeze. What's the problem? Usually it's the thermostat. Today's cars, modern cars, thermostat will close in an open position. The car will never reach proper operating temperature. It's gonna throw a pile of codes, a pile of check engine codes because it hasn't reached operating temperature and it's wondering what's going on. Some cars, the thermostat is right on top of the radiator. You pull the cap off, boom, there it is right there. You pull it out, you put it in, put a cap on. Others are harder to find. I hate you, Audi. This one, nice and easy on a Honda. It's right here on the side, two 10mm bolts and a little bracket. You lift it up. Underneath this round shaped housing where a rad hose comes off of is a little wee thermostat. That's a piece of cake. It's only a $40 item. You can do it yourself. I know you can. Get out there and do it. The part you need now, PartsAuto.com.